Hey, it's Dr. Karen here with a cabbage. So when we talk about the gut-skin connection and gut health, one of the steps you can take is adding vegetables to your diet. And a lot of people struggle with that. So I've come up with some very simple ways and delicious ways to add vegetables to your diet. And today I'm going to be talking about cabbage steaks. Yes, you heard it right, cabbage steaks. I use a green cabbage. This is an organic green cabbage. And I'm going to post the recipe so that you know exactly what's in it, but I think it's kind of good to get the visual. So what I do with my cabbage is I take the top leaves off, and then I will slice the cabbage in just like little small slices. I'll probably get about 5 slices out of this. And I put the slices on a tray, a baking tray, and then I will sprinkle avocado oil. I love cooking with avocado oil. Olive oil does not have a good heating point, so avocado oil is a great oil to cook with. And then I'll sprinkle some garlic salt, and then I'll sprinkle some paprika. And I will put that tray in the oven, 425 for about 15 minutes, and you get delicious cabbage steaks. This is a way to deliciously add vegetables to your diet so that your gut-skin connection becomes very happy. So I hope you try this. This is a time to just try different things. And it turns out everyone in my family likes this. So cabbage steaks for dinner tonight.